We live in a data-driven world, but most financial information remains locked inside static PDFs, unstructured text, or huge Excel sheets. To get real insights, you often have to copy-paste numbers, write custom scripts, or rely on guesswork. It's slow, error-prone, and it creates a gap between the data and the decisions you need to make. I wanted to fix that, so I built InsightStream AI, an autonomous multi-agent system that acts like your professional AI CFO. Why use multiple agents instead of one prompt? A single prompt struggles with end-to-end tasks such as reading a file, running calculations, and generating charts all at the same time. It often hallucinates or mixes steps. By separating the work into the specialized agents, we get better accuracy and flexibility. Now let's walk through the setup. First, I install 3 core dependencies: Google Generative AI, PyPDF, and OpenPyXL. With those installed, we load the initial setup cell. For configuration, I'm using the Google API key stored as an environment variable. After adding the key from Google Studio AI, we import the ADK components required for the multi-agent system. This project utilizes the Gemini 2.5 Pro model due to its strong reasoning abilities for code, math, and long documents. In section 2, we prepare a few helper functions. Here I generate a sample financial data in PDF format. Once it's created, copy the file path and replace the placeholder in the code. Kaggle doesn't support full absolute paths, so just remove the first part of the path before running the cell. Next, we implement functions to read PDF, Excel, text, and CSV files. To stay within the token limit, we restrict the extracted text to 30,000 characters. Running this cell loads the selected file directly into the environment. Section 3 introduces the Enterprise Agent System. It contains 3 agents working together. The Extractor Agent reads the document and converts all the content into structured JSON. The Analyst Agent reviews that JSON and generates a clear, professional summary with meaningful recommendations. The Visualization Agent generates Python code that creates charts from the structured data. There is also a small dummy report creation step, which is optional. It's only there to test interactions between agents. Section 4 contains the query in its own cell to maintain organization. Once you run it, you can move to the final execution cell. When the process completes, here's what happens. The Extractor Agent transforms the document into structured JSON. The Analyst Agent provides an executive summary and insights. The Visualization Agent generates charts by executing Python code in the background. And that is InsightStream AI in action. With a simple upload and one prompt, you get structured data, a professional analysis, and clear visual insights, all automated through a coordinated multi-agent system. This approach eliminates manual work, reduces errors, and enables faster and more informed decision making. Thank you for watching.